It's like my life is crumbled. How can my son marry this old woman? A woman to be my son's mother. How can the woman leave your 3 children for a husband? Come marry 23 years old boy. What did I do to you? Mama, you are here again. Ma. What did my son do to you? Ma. What did I do to you?
Ma, please, I love your son.
Leave my son alone.
Please, I'm begging.
Leave my son alone.
I'm begging. I love your son.
Leave my son alone.
Ma, please.
What do you want from me and my son?
Ma, please, I love your
what did they go? They'll be going. I don't want to set my eyes on you.
Ma,
be going.
please, ma, please.
No.
Ma,
leave my son for me.
Ma, please.
Leave my son for me.
Ma, please. Ma,
how could you
settle this?
How could you leave your 3 children come and marry my son?
Ma, please,
how could you?
Ma, please.
Tell me, how could you do that? You did not leave your own beautiful 3 children come marry my son. Only I want to get.
Ma, please.
What did I do to you?
Ma, you didn't do anything to me.
Okay, maybe I did that for you.
Ma, no. Ma, no.
Ma,
Please stand up. Ma, please.
Leave my son for me.
Ma, please stand up. Ma, please stand up.
I don't want to stand up. I don't want to stand up. Leave my son for me.
No, Ma, I love your son.
You see, come up for us making the pass.
Ma, just stay.
Leave my son.
Ma, please, let's sit down and talk.
You divorce your husband. You won't come marry my son.
Because he cheated on me.
This was not second matter. It's not okay. My son won't cheat for you tomorrow. Now the same way you do.
No, I won't.
And then you go to her.
No, Ma.
They go.
Ma, please.
You're not going to this house. They go.
Ma, please.
I'm not going for your baby. Leave my son for me. I don't need you for my son. I belong give my medicine job. Leave my son for me. I don't want you to marry my son. You are older than my son. You can be his mother. You want to be his mother? Hey, love one. I don't want. It's only I when I get. No think about America again. No. He's now. You don't go. I don't go bring you. I don't go bring you. You don't go marry my son. Leave her for me. Carry your bag. Don't go.
Mama, don't start again.
Nothing.
Stand up.
Stand up there. You know the point.
Mama, don't start again.
How?
Don't start
you know
again.
the house.
No, you know, sir, I tell you. I tell you before. As I don't come now, leave me. Leave me. If the village they call you.
Village not. I know they going there.
My love, stand up.
Which love?
Mama, please, stand up. She don't want to hear me stand up. Mama, you think all this one again now? You think you my own house? To my own house. Mama, I beg me, come up from the house. Mama, don't let me push you. Mama, come off my road. I go push you. I don't get that for this one. What is this one? Ma, please. Mama, please. You don't miss like this. For my own house. Mama, that because you like you I picture you and they look your face. Please. You go leave her. Leave her to enter that house. Whether you like it or not.
You know enter.
Mama,
Zen! Mama, you don't enjoy yourself. Zen!
Mama, please. Now wait till I want. Mama, leave this back.
Don't enjoy yourself.
She's not going to enter. Now you do that for me. Stand up. Mama, come on for me.
Enjoy yourself.
Wait till you get to do anything. enter this house.
You're going to the hospital. Why are you not listen to my son? Leave my son from me. Oh, yeah. Go and meet your son. Go and meet your son. Leave my son from me. Leave my son from me.
She don't go anywhere. She don't go anywhere.
You're my son. You're my son. You're my son. You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. This has no right. This is my son. Leave my son for me. You leave your husband. You leave your husband. You leave your husband. Come marry my son. I'm marry.
I go marry.
You not go marry. You not go marry. You go love her. You not go marry. Go get your son. Where is Lala? I live there. Lala, this is my son. This is my son. And you know pass.
You go village.
That boy. Let that go.
Please,
Today.
You don't forget pity. That's the pity.
He's your mother. He's like your mother.
I'm not sure.
He's like your mother.
Who's the mother? Who's the mother?
Now ladies is like your mother.
She's senior.
Yes. He's senior me.
How?
Today. You will choose me to catch us. You know what marry. You know what yeah. Send come up road. Send come up road. That guy no go enter. Okay.
She don't begging you. That's why they do like this. Stand up.
Please.
My love, stand up. What's the way she did to me?
Come back.
Okay. From our house. Now you go village. Go village. I'm not following you. Mama, you push me.
Push me.
You dey push me.
That's what you do for my son.
You dey push me.
He go expire today.
I don't person I love you. Mama, come make I pass. Mama, come make I pass.
Ma, please.
Come on.
Don't push your mom now.
If you touch me.
Give me.
You know where you dey?
You don't
See
start
this
again.
place. Don't allow
You don't start
your mom pour over. You see where we are.
Nah,
You
she
see
don't
where
want-
we
nah, she
are.
won't fall.
Be careful so you not
Now
regret.
she regret it.
Few seconds of anger. Few seconds of anger.
Don't touch me.
Calm down.
No,
I'm not in support of anything happening here.
Normally, from the one you know they in support of anything. You know in support of the relationship. So I don't know why they in support of it. No tell me anything. I don't want anything.
It's supposed to what? When I clearly know that you want to marry Jasmine just because you want to go to America. Is that not the problem?
Okay, two of Nana one. On that two I don't turn one.
What do you mean?
I beg, come off
Don't
my
push your
mama.
mama now. Wetin I dey talk about?
Few
Few seconds of anger. We'll learn this for you.
I dey respect her.
Then calm down.
I know you calm down. Mama, come on.
Don't push your mama. Like if she fall down now, hit her head for ground.
She no go fall. If she die for God, mommy they will go hospital.
I say,
I not go
hospital.
everything is recorded on camera. So all these things that you are saying, you dey camera. So before.
No.
Jasmine, leave my son,
I
oh.
go treat her.
Jasmine, leave my son.
Mama,
leave my son.
Now she I love. Anything I make you do. This house today. The first time when you do when you pursue her, I leave you. But this one, she go stay. If you don't want to stay, go that village.
I don't go
that
there.
village where you come. You go that village.
I don't go.
Mama, come off my room. Come on.
Zen.
Mama, you dey vex me, oh. You dey vex me, oh. You dey vex me.
My son they beat me, oh.
I dey beat you.
My son they beat me.
Now you dey beat yourself.
My son they beat
Now
me.
you dey beat yourself.
Okay.
I don't say leave me. I love this woman. Wait till
Like
make I do again.
King.
Now you are go marry. Shey na you are go marry.
Hey, marry me.
Now you are go marry
Yes,
you.
you are Molly's
Why I
son.
go marry you?
You are Molly's son.
Now she are marry.
Like-
Now she are go marry. I love her.
You don't work.
You just dey disturb me.
You don't work.
She get
Leave my son.
She don marry to this one.
Leave my
She
son.
leave her husband.
Leave
Now
my-
you marry her for them.
Why you
Now
go leave
your
your
own
husband for
husband.
you?
If she leave her husband, na your own.
Why you go leave
Na
her
your
husband?
consign.
Not na she.
Na your consign.
It's a
She
taboo.
say she no love her.
It's a
Na me she
taboo.
love. I will say
Where
I
I
love
come
her.
from.
She no
It's a
lie.
taboo.
She no hide anything. I no even know why I still
It's
dey
a-
waste my time dey explain to you.
Come
Sef.
on.
All this I don tell you before. Now you just dey wait. Mama, come my room. Leave her. No be your mama.
No, Jay,
Leave her. No be your
stop.
mama. No be your mama.
Don't treat
No
your
be your
mom
mama.
like that.
Leave her. No be
Don't
your mama.
treat-
She leave this woman. She no wan
Don't
hear
treat
you.
your mom like that.
Leave her. Go enter. You said they
calm down.
house.
As a man, even if you're angry,
if you talk to me, don't touch
there
me.
is how you can just go out and allow her to calm down. I will not stand here and allow you to push your mouth like this.
They take all this
I don't understand you push your mouth.
They take all this from you. Don't touch me.
Don't push your mother. Don't push your mother.
I'm fight for her.
I'm not fighting for her.
I don't hear you.
Mama, I'll talk to her. If you want to enter, I'll talk to her for you to enter.
Oh, yeah.
Don't push her. I'm not going to stand here and see you push your mother. I won't do that.
They talk to her.
Jasmine.
They talk to her.
God, this is not good. You don't spend my child for me.
What did she do? I tell you she do.
Leave my son for me. You know it.
You don't talk to her. I don't hear you talk to her.
My son will never touch me hand before. All because of you. Don't worry.
It's not because of money, Mama. I don't go stand here. It's
Which money?
Yeah.
Now you tell
Not
all
in
those
America.
Now you tell all
Not
those
in America. What's the
I don't say that from time you did against this. I don't know why they say follow the talk.
Wait till you like Jasmine. Not be the America. Not be like Jasmine. Wait till you see for Facebook. Wait till you see for Facebook.
I tell you.
Mama, your son is not a small child. He's not a child. He's not a child. He knows what he's doing.
I beg, come on for my
Your son is greedy.
Come on for my which son is greedy?
Yeah, greedy. Yeah, selfish. Yeah, it's scammer.
You know my body.
Yeah, it's scammer. Whether you like it or not. I'm trying to warn you from this one here.
No tell her anything. No follow
I'm trying to warn you from
this
this
one
one here.
No follow and talk. Talk to her. Now she won't talk to leave her alone. That's what you did against her. You should have been scammer. Now you did my body.
I don't know.
Mama, me, I want to go.
Now this thing she dey tell you where they call they attack person wey no do anything. Say I be scammer. Okay, so you believe say me your son I be scammer. Mama beg.
Jasmine, you should be ashamed of yourself.
I won't pass. Now your shame. Now your shame. Mama for go make her pass.
You don't push her.
Mama for I don't dey push her. I don't even dey push her. I don't dey talk. Now push be this.
Mama,
I can't be pushing
no,
her.
you carry your wife enter inside. She's leave am.
Mama,
No worry, ma.
Mama, babe, stand up, stand up. What's the way she dey do now? Village dey call her. Village dey call you soon. Go talk whether na you get my house for me. Yeah, they disturb my life. They disturb my life. Na your marriage. Na your marriage.
So you've chosen money.
Na your marriage.
Now money you choose over your mama. Someone that the same woman
that. I don't tell you. She promised me say she go carry me go America. She promised me money, but no be because that one I love her. I love her genuinely. She accept me, I accept her for who she is. She get cookies, I accept. I'm equal to the task. Wait till I want to explain to you again. I beg, let her be like that. Accept her.
Say, baby, you know what I go through.
Mama, now make they talk na your own, no. Now make they talk na your own. Me, I don't tell you. I love her. I love her. I love her. Me, I don't tell you. If you want to stay outside,
please.
Ma, please put yourself together. Your son is an adult. He knows what he's doing. Please, ma, I'm begging you in the name of God. I know it's not easy. It's not easy for your only son to be doing this.
Then my life is finished. Which I will go tell the papa people now. Say my only son drive me for outside. Then my life is not finished.
Your life will never finish. Your son has already chosen his path. So please, ma, calm down.
Only I will go tell the papa people. What do you want me to go talk now? Tell me, make I know. What do you want me to go tell the papa people? Oh, God Almighty. Oh, if I saw they look.
Mercy, I want you to understand that there is nothing wrong with your son. He knows what he's doing. Please. Maybe he thinks this is the best way to go about it, to have money. It's not like he's dead or something happened to him. He's very much alive and he knows what he's doing.
Zen, tell me now, what do you want me to do? Should I go back to the village? Maybe it's...
Yes, ma, for peace to reign. Just leave him to do whatever he wants to do.
Okay, I will go tomorrow.
And feel free, if you want to talk to me, feel free to call me. I'll always be available to talk to you.
I'll go.
Please, ma, please.
Thank you. Thank you. At least when I call you, you respond. Thank you.
Have you seen my shoe? Can they at least, please, I want to go in and Get my shoe.
Okay.